Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Joel Egbodo. On today's video, I will be sharing with you on the importance of good breed in your pig farm. Before we talk about good feeding, balanced diet, good medication, management, the first thing you need in your pig farm, believe me, is good breed of animals. It will reduce your cost of feeding, it will reduce your stress, it will give you good result. So when you venture into pig farming, or if you are thinking of going to pig farming, the number one thing you should consider is good breed. Even if it is one that you can afford, even if it is two, if it is three, if it is five, make sure that they are of good breed. For example, look at my guys here. You can see them. Stand up. I don't know if you can see them. Okay, they are 4 months old. 4 months old. Now there are some animals that even 1 year you may not get this kind of result. So that is to show you the importance of good breed in your pig farm. So thank you very much love. Subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you very much.